See this question here. This letter cluster is related to PARROT and this letter cluster is related to recipe. We need to find a letter cluster from the given options which is related to RELISH. Okay, I have written PARROT, recipe and their respective related letter clusters also. Now see the letters of the PARROT here. First letter of the PARROT word is P and the related letter cluster's first letter is also P. See the second letter, here they have given A, here they have given T, so they are different. See the third letter, here is R and here also third letter is R and fourth letter is R and K, fourth letter is different. See the fifth letter, here O and here also O and sixth letter is different. So until now we know that odd places are no change, means these are same letters they have written. See the even places here. Here we have letter A, corresponding number is 1 or 27, right? So here second letter value is T is nothing but 20. So if you take 27 and 20, from 27 it became 20. So which means they are subtracted 7. See the fourth letter here. Here R, corresponding number is 18 and here we have K, corresponding value is 11. So 18 became 11. Here also they subtracted same minus 7. Now final letter, sixth letter, here T is nothing but 20 and here M is nothing but 13. 20 became 13. Here also they subtracted 7, which means for odd places no change, for even places they subtracted 7. Or similarly see here odd places R, C, P. Here odd places R, C, P. Now we understood the pattern, right? Now let us find for RELISH here. Here are odd places R, L, S should be. So we have two options with the starting R here. So we should have odd places R, L and S. Here we have R, L and S. This might be our option. Here we have R, L and A here. So it is not our option, which is our answer option number 1 here. Let's see our next question. See this question, we need to find a set from the given options which follows the same pattern as above two sets. Okay, let's take a first set here, 9, 26 and 53. See the second number here, 26. I can write 26 as 27 minus 1, right? And if you observe 9 and 27, 27 is 9 multiple. So which is 27 is nothing but 9 times 3. Okay. See the third number here, 53. I can write 53 as 54 minus 1, right? And again 54 and 9. 54 is nothing but multiple of 9. Okay, I can write 54 as 9 times 6. Okay, now let us observe the second set, which is 8, 23 and 47. Same, I can write 23 as 24 minus 1 and again I can write 24 as 8 times 3. Okay, see the third number 47. I can write 47 as 48 minus 1 and again 48 is nothing but 8 times 6. Now if you observe here, what is the pattern here? So if there is a set, if the first value is n, the second value is nothing but 3n minus 1 and the third value is nothing but 6n minus 1. Okay, now let us verify the options here. See the first option, if we assume n value is 7, the second number should be 3n minus 1, which means 3 sevens minus 1, 3 sevens 21 minus 1, 20. Okay, the third number should be 6n minus 1, 6 sevens 42 minus 1, it should be 41, but they have given 42, which is not our option. See the next option, if we assume the n value as 5, the second number should be 3n minus 1. 3n minus 1 means 3 5s 15 minus 1 14. Okay, and the third number should be 6n minus 1. 6n minus 1, 6 5s 30 minus 1, 29, which verified our pattern, which is option number 2 is our answer. Let's see our next question. See this question here, we need to find a set from the given options which follows the same pattern as above two sets. Okay, let's take a first set, which is 36, 6 and 18. Okay, if I take the first two numbers here, see if I do the 36 divided by 6, what is the value do I get here? 6, right? 6 times 6 is 36. But I want the value of 18. How do I get 18 from 6? If I multiply 3 to the result, I am getting value of 18, which is the third number of the set. Okay, let's see for the second set here. 35, 5 and 21. Same. If I do 35 divided by 5, see here 35 divided by 5. What is the value do I get here? 7. But we want 21. Again, if I multiply 3 to this result, I am getting a value of 21, which is the third number of the set. So, what is the pattern here? First we have done first number divided by second number. For this result, we have multiplied 3, then we got third number of that set. Okay, let's verify the options here. See the first option, 67 divided by 7, how much? 9. And if I multiply 9 times 3, I should get 27, but they have given 98, so which is not our option. See the next option, 76 divided by 13, how much? 76 is not even completely divisible by 13, so second one is not our option. See the third option, 100 divided by 5, how much? 20. If I multiply 3 to this 20, I am getting a value of 60, but not 40, so which is not our option. See the final option here, 49 divided by 7, how much? 7. And if I multiply 3 to it, I am getting a value of 21, which is the third number here, which verified our pattern. So our answer is option number 4. Let's see our next question. Here, public is coded as in this letter format, server is coded as in this letter format. Now we have to find how direct is coded in that language. Here I have written public server and its coded clusters and it with their respect to numbers also. See the first letter public and the corresponding number is 16. Here they added 4 to the first letter, 16 plus 4, 20. Similarly, first letter of server here, see here also they added 4. See the second letter 21, 9. See the second letters of server 5 and 5. So there is no such pattern. Let's move for the third letter. Here 2, 5. They added 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Similarly, 18 plus 3, 21. See the next letter 12, 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. Here also 22, 19. 22 minus 3, 19. See the letters 9 and 21. Now observe the second letters here. Here 21, here 21, here 9, here 9. So the second letter and the fifth letters are interchanged. Okay. Now see the second letter and fifth letter of server. Here all letters are same. So we get all the values as 5. See the final value here. Here 3 and here 21. 3 minus 4 is 25, which is y, which means if we can write 3 as 29, right? So 29 minus 4 is 25. Similarly, 18 minus 4 is 14. Now we have observed that whatever the operations which performed on the public, the same operations are performed on the server also. Now if we perform same operations on the direct, what is our answer here? Corresponding value of D is 4. For the first letter, they added 4. So if I add 4 to the 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. Corresponding letter is H. We got two options eliminated. Now see the next letter. Here the interchanging. So I leave space for the second letter. See the third letter here, R. R value is 18. For the third letter, we have added plus 3. So if I add 18 to the if I add 3 to the 18, I will get value as 21. Corresponding letter to the 21 is U. So my first letter should be H and my third letter should be U. First letter H, third letter C, which is not our option. First letter H, third letter C, third letter U. See this sets question. We need to find a set from the given options which follows the same pattern as above two sets. Okay. Let's take a first set here, 12, 40 and 14. Observe the difference between first number and second number here. 12 plus 28 is 40, right? Now observe the difference and the third number here. So the difference is nothing but twice of the third number, right? So 14 twos is 28, right? Okay. Now let us observe for the second given set 15, 33 and 9 here. See the difference of 15 and 33. 15 plus 18 is 33, right? Again, third number and the difference. The difference here is twice of the third number, right? So we got the pattern. So what is the pattern here? If we have three numbers here, the difference of the first number and second number is nothing but twice of the third number. Okay. Now let us verify the options. See the first option. If we have third number as 35, the difference should be 35 twos 70, right? So if I add 70 to the 21, I should get a value of 91 but not 95. So which is not our option. See the next option. If the third value is 42, the difference should be twice of the 42, which means the difference should be 84. If I add 84 to the 11, I should get a value of 95 but not 105. So which is not our option. See the third option. Here the third number is 35. The difference here should be 35 twos 70. So if I add 70 to the 21, I should get a value of 91. So it's the same value they have given. So which verified our pattern, which is option number 3. Let's hear next question. See this one more coding question. Lamp is coded as 66. OATS is coded as 53. We need to find how S is coded in that language. So here I have written the words lamp and OATS and their corresponding values also. See, if I add the corresponding values of the word lamp here, what is the value do I get here? 12 plus 13, 25, 25 plus 1, 26, 26 plus 16, 42, but they have given the related value for the lamp is 66. So this is not the procedure. Now see, if I take the opposite letters for the word lamp, see, opposite letter of L is O, opposite letter of A is Z, opposite letter of M is N, opposite letter of P is K. And if I write the corresponding values of these letters, O is nothing but 15, Z is nothing but 26, N is nothing but 14 and K is nothing but 11. And if I add these values, see, 14 plus 11, 25, 25 plus 15, 40, 40 plus 26, 66, which is the same value they have given for the lamp here. Similarly, opposite letters for the OATS here is, opposite letter of O is nothing but L, opposite letter of A is nothing but Z, opposite letter for the T is nothing but Z, and opposite letter for the S is nothing but H. And the corresponding values are L is nothing but 12, Z is nothing but 26, Z is nothing but 7, H is nothing but 8. And if I add these values, see, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 12 27, 27 plus 26 53, which is the same value they are given for the OATS. Now we understood the pattern, right? Now let us find the value for S here. Y, E, S, S. Opposite letters are, opposite letter of Y is B and opposite letter of E is V and opposite letter of S is H and the opposite letter of here S is same H. And the corresponding values, B is 2, V is 22, H is 8 and here also H is 8. Now if I add these values, see here, 22 plus 8 30, 2 plus 8 10. So 30 plus 10, we got the value of 40, which is option number 1 here. Let's hear next question. See this one more such question. Again, we need to find a set from the given options which follows the same pattern as above two sets. Let's take a first set again, which is 54, 32 and 66. Observe the difference between first number and second number. So the difference here is 4 minus 2 to 5 minus 3 is 2. Now see the difference and the third number of the set. The third number of set is nothing but thrice of the difference, right? See here, 66 is nothing but 22 times 3. Okay, let's observe the second set also. 49, 31 and 54. Same. If I see the difference between the first number and second number, 9 minus 1 8, 4 minus 3 1. So the difference here is 18. Here 18 and 54. 54 is nothing but thrice of the 18, right? See here, 54 is nothing but 18 times 3. So what is the pattern here? If we have 3 numbers in a set, if we take the difference of the first number and second number, if we get the difference as d, the third number is nothing but thrice of the difference. Okay, let's observe the options here. See the first option, difference of the 44 and 28, how much? 44 minus 28 is nothing but 16. 16 times 3 is 48, not 52. So first one is not our option. See the next option, 68 minus 49. 68 minus 49, how much? 19, right? Okay, 19 times 3, how much? 57, not 55. So second one is also not our option. See the third option, 39 minus 18. 39 minus 18, how much? 21. 21 times 3, how much? 63, which verified our pattern, which is our option number 3. Let's hear next question. So that's all for the reasoning section, guys. In this video we covered 18 July, 3rd shift and 4th shift. And one more thing, I'm thinking of making a video on the top 30 quant questions from SSC phase 12. Why? Because these questions will help us to get familiar with the latest models and patterns, which are super helpful for the upcoming SSC CGL and MTS exams. So if you are interested, comment yes below. If not, comment no. And if there are any other topics you would like me to cover, feel free to suggest them in the comment section. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Love you.